Hello everyone and welcome. Whether you are an exporter looking to secure your international payments, an importer trying to establish trust with the global suppliers, or a trader navigating cross-border deals, mastering letter of credit is absolutely vital. While LCs offer incredibly a payment security, they can be highly complex, labor intensive and costly if handled incorrectly. Today, I am excited to present my module on Udemy course, how to use the letter of credit to export and import. This course is designed to give you a complete end-to-end blueprint of how LCs move through banking system. Inside the module, we have structured this training across 9 comprehensive modules. We begin with a solid introduction, comparing LCs against other international payment methods to highlight exactly why they are unique. From there, we map out the specific roles and responsibilities of various banks involved in the chain. You will also get a practical, technical deep dive into actual LC Swift message types and mandatory Swift fields. Plus, we tie everything together with a clear operational overview of the essential ICC publications governing trade today, which is UCP 600 mainly, and the allied ones ISBP, URR, and Incoterms. Then, managing fees, risk, and discrepancies. Letters of credit are highly recommended when dealing with higher risk situations, unestablished trade relationships, or when extended payment terms are requested. However, because bank rules are strictly literal, the required documentation is notoriously prone to errors. In this course, we shine a direct spotlight on the most common discrepancies that cause costly payment delays. We also break down the fee structures involved so you know exactly how much an LC costs and how to negotiate who pays those fees before the transaction ever starts. Next, a strategic pre consultation and a professional support. One of the biggest mistakes the traders make is waiting too long to look at the paperwork. This course teaches you how to consult strategically with your bank before the importer even applies for the LC. You will learn to determine if a transaction size is truly suitable, evaluate potential cost, and establish clear dispute resolution pathways. Because error free paperwork is the only way to avoid heavy bank penalties, documents should always be reviewed by a trained professional. To help you succeed, we also offer a dedicated low cost LC document preparation service. So feel free to contact us directly through the details provided to ensure your presentations are completely flawless. Okay. Your call for action. Don't let documentary errors freeze your working capital or delay your global shipments. Protect your import export business with actionable real world trade finance expertise. So, why are you waiting for? Click the link directly in the description below to enroll on Udemy today and start managing your international transactions with absolute confidence. Thank you for watching, and I will see you inside the first module. Please reach me out if you have any doubt. Thank you.